Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn about safety issues. This is taken from your textbook, page 74 and 75. 同学们早上好，今天我们要学的是 safety issues， 就是安全问题。那同学们，你们也可以参考你们的课本第74页以及75页。If we look at your textbook, there are altogether 6 safety rules. We talk about food safety, escalator safety, internet safety, road safety, fire safety, and lift safety. Alright? 那如果我们看课本呢，我们总共分成6种的安全问题。当中呢，包括 food safety 食物安全 escalator safety 使用电动扶梯所要注意的安全事项 internet safety 网络安全 road safety 道路安全 fire safety 火的安全 and lift safety 就是使用电梯的安全。Alright, let's look at this one by one. First of all, let's look at food safety. Look at your textbook. You have 4 pictures here. What do we need to do exactly? First of all, we need to cover the food with a lid. It is to prevent the food from contaminated by the flies. 首先我们的食物呢，一定要用盖子盖起来，那么呢，苍蝇就不会污染了我们的食物。Next, make sure you wash your hands before and after meals. 吃东西前以及吃东西后呢，都需要洗手。Look at the third picture. This is a canned food, and there's always an expiry date labeled on the can. Make sure you check on the expiry date. You need to know that the food is safe before you eat it. 那同学们，在我们的罐头食品啊，以及我们的盒装食品呢，都会打印有它们的保存期、最佳食用期。我们呢，都是需要检查这些的日期，那我们才能够确定我们所饮用的食物是安全的。And finally, wash your fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. 同样的，我们的蔬菜、我们的水果，在你们煮东西啊，或者是直接吃之前呢，都是需要先洗过的。This is to wash away the pesticides on the surface of the fruits and vegetables. 因为呢，我们的蔬菜跟水果表面上往往呢会有很多的这些杀虫剂的残余，所以呢，我们都必须先把它洗干净。Alright, next, let's look at the safety issues when you are using an escalator. 那我们在使用电动扶梯的时候，我们又要注意一些怎么样的事项呢？ Always hold on to the handrail. 一定要把扶着这一个电动扶梯的扶手。Stand between the yellow lines. This is to make sure that you are safe. 那电动扶梯呢，也有这些黄色的安全线，请确保你们站在这些黄色的线的之间。Next, do not run up when it is coming down. I know you. Some of you might like to play at the escalator, but please don't do so because it is very, very dangerous. 那同样的 do not run up when it is coming down 就是说电动扶梯下来的时候，你不要往上跑，不要跑相反的方向，因为这样是非常危险的。Alright, look at the internet safety. Nowadays, during The COVID-19 season, everyone needs to stay at home and you always use the internet. So, what kind of safety measure do you need to take? 那同学们，尤其是现在这样的时候因为呢我们都在家，常常呢都会上网。那到底上网的时候有什么安全事项是我们需要注意的呢？ First, remember your username and password. 你一定要记得你的用户名字以及你的密码。Next, never reveal your password to others. 千万不要把你的密码告诉别人。Never give your personal information in a chat room. 那也不要在网上的聊天室公开你的个人资料。The personal information including your address, your phone number, your parents' name, your school's name, everything. 那这里所指的个人资料呢，就包括了你的家里的地址、你的电话号码、学校的名字啊、父母名字啊，这些都是不可以向外人不可以告诉外人的。Next, tell your parents about your online friend. This is to let them know that you have a friend online and to make sure that the friend you met is safe. 那同学们，你们也要告诉父母关于你们网上所认识的朋友，因为呢，父母一定会帮忙你们鉴定，看看这是不是一个安全的朋友。And lastly, tell your parents if you see any pictures or contents which make you uncomfortable. 同样的，如果你在网上看到一些照片或者是内容让你不舒服的，请你第一时间告诉你的父母。Next, let's talk about road safety. First, use a zebra crossing or a pedestrian bridge to cross a road. 那道路安全呢？首先，我们要过马路的时候，一定要用 zebra crossing 或者是斑马线 or a pedestrian bridge 行人天桥。那我们要过马路呢，就要用斑马线或者是行人天桥。Make sure it is safe before crossing a road. 过马路之前呢，我们也需要先确保说是安全的，在安全的情况下呢，我们才越过马路。Next, do not go anywhere with a stranger. 千万不要搭陌生人的车。Alright, this is very dangerous. Every time, every year, there are a lot of children went missing because they boarded a stranger's car and they were kidnapped. 那每一年呢，都有非常多的小孩不见了失踪，往往呢都是因为他们上了陌生人的车，那就这样子被绑架了。Alright, this is very important. Do not go anywhere with a stranger. 所以千万不要跟陌生人走。Next, look at fire safety. There are a few things that you need to know. 那说到火呢，我们都知道火是非常危险的。这里呢，有几项事情是你需要注意的。First, never play with fire. 千万不可以玩火。Do not turn on your laptop and leave it on your bed because it might catch a fire. 同样的，你们的电脑不要开着电脑放在你们的床上，因为呢，它有可能会着火的。You must ask why. Because your mattress is something flammable. That means your mattress can catch fire easily. When the laptop is hot, the heat will transfer to your mattress and it might catch fire. 那同学们，有些同学会问，为什么不可以在床上用电脑呢？因为呢，我们的床褥就是你们所谓的 tilam， 你们的床， 它呢是易燃物，就是很容易会着火的。那当我们的电脑热的时候呢，就会把热能传到你的床去，那么呢，它就很容易着火了。Alright, next, do not use your phone when it is charging. This is very important. At this time, I know that you always use your phone and the battery is always running out. And some of you, you are even playing your phone, playing your games when it is charging. Please do not do so. 那同学们，我们在我们的手机在充电的时候，我们也不可以使用手机，因为呢，那是非常危险的。那老师知道呢，有很多同学，你的手机常常没电了，可是你的游戏又还在继续，你就一边充电一边玩游戏，记得这是非常危险的。Why? Because your phone might get exploded. 因为你的手机是有可能会爆炸的。Alright? Next, when you caught a fire, do not run. Lie on the ground and roll over and over. 如果说你真的遇到火灾，身上着火了，记得千万不要跑，不要跑。那你要做的是什么呢？躺在地上翻滚。一定要躺在地上翻滚 because when you roll on the ground over and over, that means you are reducing the oxygen that the fire is contact with. When there is no oxygen, that means there is no fire. 那为什么要躺在地上翻滚呢？因为你盖着的时候呢，你在翻滚，你会让火跟空气的接触减少。那我们学科学的原理就是火要升起来一定要有空气，那当火跟空气之间减少的话呢，那我们火就会被扑灭了。 Alright? Next, what should you do when you are using the lift? 那我们用电梯的时候是要做一些什么事情呢？Let others come out before you enter the lift. 先让电梯里的人出来，别人出来了，那我们才进电梯。Do not jump off when it stops in between floors. 就是说，电梯在每一层停的时候呢，不要马上跳出去。Why? You need to make sure that it is safe. You need to see the floor, then only you step out.因为呢，有时候电梯会发生故障的。那如果电梯停了，请你先看好，确保说外面的表面是地上是正常的、安全的，那你才踏出去。Do not try to open the door. When someone was trapped in the lift, they tend to open the door like what you saw, what you watch in the movies, but this is actually very dangerous, so do not try to open the door. 那很多人当他们被困在电梯里的时候呢，他们就想要尝试把电梯门打开，想要逃出去，就像你们看戏的时候那样。可是呢，这样子做是非常危险的。Alright, so today we have learned about food safety, escalator safety, internet safety, road safety, fire safety, and lift safety. Please do whatever you can to keep yourself safe. 那这些呢，就是今天我们所学的安全知识。It's the practice time now. Please click on the link and complete the worksheet. And that's all for today. Thank you and bye.